Before you attempt any rust removal on a firearm, please watch this video. I work in the used firearms industry and have bought hundreds of rusty guns, but two really stand out to me. The first was a Spencer carbine from the Civil War. A man came in, wanted to sell it, but first he had asked his son if he could bring it to the high school for the gunsmiths to look at. Yes, the high school for the gunsmiths to look at. The gun was a little bit rusty and probably just needed a good cleaning. Well, the high schoolers had their way with it, and when it came into the shop, the rust was gone. They had taken it off with an angle grinder. The gun was totally worthless. Second story. A guy brings in a Remington UMC 1911. Very rare World War I production. The gun probably graded at 10 to 15%. Totally coated in rust, bright orange, very likely pitted and worthless to the collector. 30 minutes of work de-rusting it. The gun graded at 50 to 60%, and we made about $3,000 on that gun. Now, you may not have an exceptionally rare gun to clean up, but any cleaning you do can adversely affect the firearm. There is a right way and a wrong way to clean rust, and I'm going to show you the correct way here in this video. So we're not going to need any chemicals for this at all. We're going to need some 4O steel wool. It's this stuff right here, 4O. Anything coarser, triple O, double aught, single aught, that's too coarse and it will affect the finish on your firearm. 4O is very soft. It's like a cloth. It's not going to hurt the finish of your gun. You're also going to need an oil. Any oil will work. Canola oil, gun oil, motor oil, anything will work. You just need lubrication for this. Do not use any product that claims to be a rust remover. Use anything that will remove rust. Fe2O3, red rust, will also remove the good rust, your blued finish, FeO. They're the same thing. They're both rust. They will both be dissolved by the same chemicals. So anything that you're going to use to take off this red rust, it's going to take off your black blued finish as well. So don't use it. I've neglected this Benelli Supernova specifically for the purposes of this video. I went out hunting with it, took it in the salt water, left it for 2 months. It is very rusty. Take a look at that patch. Nice and red. Now, a lot of people would look at this and say, oh, there's nothing you can do about it. It's a rusted gun. It's going to have to be refinished. Well, I'm going to show you right now, this gun does not need to be refinished, and there is lots of excellent dark blue finish underneath that rust. So let's get rid of it. We're going to take our 4O steel wool. We're going to take our lubricating oil. Get lots of oil on that steel wool. You cannot have too much oil on here. You're going to take oil-soaked steel wool and gently just run it over the rusty areas of the steel. Now, we're not hurting the finish in any way. That steel wool is gently gliding over the blued finish and taking away all that red flaky rust. Okay, that should be good enough. Take a clean rag, wipe off that oil. No more rust. Okay, how easy was that? It took all of 5 seconds. So anything worse than this, you can take a bronze brush and gently work it into the rust, and the rust will come right off. Don't use any CLP, don't use hoppies. It does not dissolve rust, and it does not lubricate like standard oil. So now you know how to remove surface rust from firearms. Thanks for watching, and thank you for subscribing.